Unit 5 Coordination Compounds. Coordination compounds are the backbone of modern inorganic and bio-inorganic chemistry and chemical industry. 5.1 Warner's theory of coordination compounds. In the previous unit, we learned that the transition metals from a number of complex compounds in which the metal atoms are bonded to a number of anion or neutral molecule by sharing of electron. In modern technology, such compounds are called coordination compounds. The chemistry of coordination compounds in is an important and challenging area of modern inorganic chemistry. New concepts of chemical bonding and molecular structure have proved insights into the functioning of these compounds as vital components of biological system. Chlorophyll, hemoglobin and vitamin B12 are coordination compounds of magnesium, iron, cobalt, respectively. Variety of metallurgical processes, industrial catalysts, and analytic reagents involve the use of coordination compounds. Coordination compounds also find many application in electroplating, textile dyeing, and mechanical. Alfred Warner (1866 to 1919), a Swiss chemist, was the first to formulate his idea about the structures of coordination compounds. He prepared and characterized a large number of coordination compounds and studied their physical and chemical behavior by simple experimental techniques. Warner proposed the concept of a primary valency and a secondary valency for a metal ion. Binary compounds such as chromium chloride, cobalt chloride, and palladium chloride have primary valency of 3, 2, and 2 respectively. In a series of compounds of cobalt third chloride with ammonia, it was found that some of the chloride ion could be precipitated as AgCl on adding excess silver nitrate solution in cold, but some remained in 1 mole cobalt chloride 6NH3 yellow gave 3 mole AgCl. 1 mole cobalt chloride 5NH3 purple gave 2 mole AgCl. 1 mole cobalt chloride 4NH3 green gave 1 mole AgCl. 1 mole cobalt chloride 4NH3 violet gave 1 mole AgCl. These observations, together with the result of conductivity measurements in solution, can be explained if one 6 group in all, either chloride ions or ammonia molecules or both remain bonded to the cobalt ion during the reaction, and second, the compounds are formulated as shown in table 5.1, where the atom within the square brackets from a single entity which does not dissociate under reaction conditions. Warner proposed the term secondary valency for the number of groups bonded directly to the metal ions. In each of these examples, the secondary valency are Table 5.1 Formulation of cobalt third chloride ammonia complex. Color formula solution conductivity corresponds to yellow cobalt NH3 whole twice 6 whole bracket 3 plus 3Cl minus 1 ratio 3 electrolyte. Purple cobalt chloride NH3 bracket 5 2 plus 2Cl minus cobalt chloride NH34 C plus Cl minus cobalt chloride NH34 plus Cl minus 1 ratio 2 electrolyte 1 ratio 1 electrolyte and 1 ratio 1 electrolyte. Note that the last two compounds in table 5.1 have identical empirical formula COCl34NH3 but distinct properties. Such compounds are termed as isomers. Warner in 1898 propounded his theory propounded his theory of coordination compound. The main postulates are: one, in coordination compounds, metals show two types of linkage, valencies, primary and secondary. The primary valency are normally ionizable and are satisfied by negative ions. Third, the secondary valencies are non-ionizable. These are satisfied by neutral molecules or negative ions. The secondary valency is equal to the coordination number and is fixed from a metal. 4. The ions groups bound by the secondary linkage to the metal have characteristic spatial arrangements corresponding to different coordination numbers. In modern formulations, such spatial arrangements are called coordination polyhedra. The species within the square bracket are coordination entities or complexes, and the ions outside the square bracket are called counterions. He further postulated the octahedral, tetrahedral, square planar geometrical shapes are most common in coordination compounds of transition metals. Thus, cobalt NH3 3 plus, cobalt chloride NH3 2 plus, and cobalt chloride NH3 4 plus are octahedral entities, while nickel, cobalt 4, and cobalt chloride 4 2 minus are tetrahedral and square planar respectively. Example 5.1. On the basis of the following observation made with aqueous solution, assign secondary valency to metal in the following compounds. Formula: moles of AgCl precipitate per mole of the compounds with excess AgNO3. First, palladium chloride 4NH3 2 moles. Second, nickel chloride 6H2O 2 moles. Third, platinum chloride 2HCl 0 moles. Cobalt chloride 4NH3 1 mole. Platinum chloride 2NH3 0 mole. Solution: first, secondary 4, second, secondary 6, third, secondary 6, fourth, secondary 6, fifth, secondary 4. Difference between a double salt and a complex. Double salt as well as complex are formed by the combination of two or more stable compounds in stoichiometric ratio. However, they differ in the fact that double salts such as carenolite, KCl, MgCl2, 6H2O, Mohr salt, FeSO4, NH4 twice SO4 6H2O, potassium alum, KAiSO4 twice 12H2O, etc. dissociate into simple ions completely when dissolved in water. However, complex ions such as FeCN6 whole bracket 4 minus of K4 FeCN6 do not dissociate in Fe2 plus and Cn minus ions. Warner was born on December 12, 1866 in Mulhouse, a small community in French provinces of Alsace. His study of chemistry began in Karlsruhe, Germany, and continued in Zurich, Switzerland, where he, in his doctoral thesis in 1890, he explained the differences in properties of certain nitrogen-containing organic substances on the basis of isomerism. He extended Van 't theory of tetrahedral carbon atom and modified it for nitrogen. Warner showed optical and electrical difference between complex compounds based on physical measurements. In fact, Warner was the first to discover optical activity in certain coordination compounds. He, at the age of 29 years, became a full professor at Technik Hochschule in Zurich. In 1895, Alfred Alfred Warner was a chemist and educationist. His accomplishments includes the development of theory of coordination compounds. This theory, in which Warner proposed revolutionary ideas about how atoms and molecules are linked together, was formulated in a span of only 3 years, from 1890 to 1893. The remainder of his career was spent gathering the experimental support required to validate his new ideas. Warner became the first Swiss chemist to win a Nobel Prize in 1913 for his work of the linkage of atoms and coordination theory. 5.2 Definitions of some important terms pertaining to coordination compounds. A coordination entity. A coordination entity constitutes a central atom or ion bonded to a fixed number of ions or molecules. For example, COCl3NH3 is a coordination entity in which a cobalt ion is surrounded by three ammonia molecules and three chloride ions. Other examples are nickel CO4, platinum Cl2, NH3 whole twice, FeCN6 whole bracket 4 minus, cobalt NH3 6 whole bracket 3 plus. B is central atom ion. In a coordination entity, the atom ion to which a fixed number of ions or group are bonded in a definite geometrical arrangement around it is called the central atom or ion. For example, the central atom or ion is in the coordination entity NiCl2H2O4, COCl NH3 whole bracket 2 plus and FeCN6 whole bracket 3 minus are nickel 2 plus, cobalt 3 plus and ferrous 3 iron 3 plus respectively. These central atoms ions are also referred to as Lewis acids. C. Ligands. The ions or molecules bound to the central atom or ion in the coordination entity are called ligands. These may be simple ions such as Cl-, small molecules such as H2O or NH3, large molecules such as H2NCH2 CH2 NH2 or NCH2 CH2 NH2 or even macromolecules such as protein. When a ligand is bound to a metal ion through a single donor atom as with Cl-, H2O or NH3, the ligand is said to be unidentate. When a ligand can bind through two donors atom is in as H2NH2 H2NCH2 CH2 NH2, ethane 1,2 diamine or C2O4 2 minus oxalate. The ligand is said to be didentate. And when several donors atoms are present in a single ligand as in NCH2CH2 NH3, the ligand is said to be polydentate. Ethylidiamine tetraacetate ion EDTA4 is an important hexadentate ligand. It can bind through 2 nitrogen and 4 oxygen atoms to a central metal. When a di or polydentate ligand uses its 2 or more donor atoms simultaneously to bind a single metal ion, it is said to be chelate ligand. The number of such ligand groups is called the denticity of the ligand. Such complexes called chelate complex tend to be more stable than similar complexes containing unidentate ligands. Ligand which has two different donor atoms and either of these two ligates in the complex is called ambident ligand. Example of such ligands are the NO2- and SCN- ions. NO2- ions can coordinate either through nitrogen or through oxygen to a central metal atom ion. Similarly, SCN- ion can coordinate through the sulfur or nitrogen atom. D. Coordination number. The coordination number Cn of a metal ion in a complex can be defined as the number of ligand donor atom to which the metal is directly bonded. For example, in the complex ion platinum Cl6 whole bracket 2 minus and nickel NH3 4 whole bracket 2 plus the coordination number of platinum and nickel are 6 and 4 respectively. Similarly, in the complex ion FeC2O43 whole bracket 3 minus and COEN3 whole bracket 3 plus the coordination number of both Fe and CO is 6 because C2O4 2 minus and ethane 2 1,2-diamine are didentate ligands. It is important to note here that coordination number of a central atom ion is determined only by the number of sigma bonds formed by the ligands with the central atom ion. Pi bonds, if formed between the ligands and the central atom or ion, are not counted for this purpose. E. Coordination sphere. The central atom ion and the ligands attached to it are enclosed in square bracket and is collectively termed as the coordination sphere. The ionizable groups are written outside the bracket and are called counter ions. For example, the complex K4FeCN6. The coordination sphere is FeCN6 whole bracket 4 minus and the counter ion is K plus. F. Coordination polyhedron. The spatial arrangement of ligand atoms which are directly attached to the central atom ion defined as coordination polyhedron that about the central atom. The most common coordination polyhedra are octahedral, square planar and tetrahedral. For example, CONH36 whole bracket 3 plus is octahedral, NiCO4 is tetrahedral and platinum Cl4 whole bracket 2 minus is square planar. Example 5.1 shows the shapes of different coordination polyhedra: octahedral, tetrahedral, square planar, trigonal, bipyramidal, square pyramidal. Figure 5.1 shows shapes of different coordination polyhedra. M represents the central atom and ion and L a unidental ligand. L. Oxidation number of central atom. The oxidation number of the central atom in a complex is defined as the charge it would carry if all the ligands are removed, along with the electron pairs that are shared with the central atom. The oxidation number of is represented by Roman numeral. Numeral is Parthenicensis. The oxidation number is represented by a numeral is parenthesis following the name of the coordination entity. For example, oxidation number of copper in COCN4 whole bracket 3 minus is +1 and it is written as copper 1. H. Homoliptic and heteroliptic complexes. Complexes in which a metal is bounded to only one kind of donor groups. Example, CONH36 whole bracket 3 plus are known as homoliptic. Complexes in which a metal is bound to more than one kind of donor groups. Example, CONH34 Cl2 plus are known as heteroliptic. 5.3 Nomenclature of coordination compounds. Nomenclature is important in coordination chemistry because of the need to have an ambitious method of describing formulas and writing systematics name, particularly when dealing with isomers. The formulas and names adopted for coordination entities are based on the recommendation of the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. 5.3.1 Formulas of mononuclear coordination entities. The formula of a compound is a shorthand tool used to provide basic information about the constitution of the compound in a concise and convenient manner. Mononuclear coordination entities contain a single central metal atom, and the following rules are applied while writing the formulas. First, the central atom is listed first. Second, the ligands are then listed in alphabetical order. The placement of a ligand in the list does not depend on its charge. Third, polydentate ligands are also listed alphabetically. In case of abbreviated ligand, the first letter of the abbreviation is used to determine the position of the ligand in the alphabetical order. For the formula for the entire coordination entity, whether the charge or not, is enclosed in square brackets. When ligands are polyatomic, their formulas are enclosed in parentheses. Ligand abbreviations are also enclosed in parentheses. Fifth, where there should be no space between the ligands and the metal within a coordination sphere. Sixth, when a formula of a charge coordination entity is to be written without that of the counter ion, the charge in indicate outside the square bracket as a bright superscript with the number of before the sign. For example, cobalt CN6 3 minus chromium H2O6 3 plus etc. 7. The charge of the captions is balanced by the charge of the anions. Note the 2004 IUPAC draft recommends that ligands will be sorted alphabetically irrespective of charge.